Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Alexis Sanderson, and Alexis is 8 years old. Oh my goodness, you're 8 years old. And she has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. And she's level 3, level 4, which means she can walk with 2 hands really well. One hand is a little bit tricky. To go longer distances, she needs a wheelchair. She can walk in a walker, but often needs help for steering. So one of the things I worry about for her is she can pull up to stand now, but has a little bit more trouble getting down from standing. So I think it's really important to work on her being able to catch herself if she falls. I start off catching yourself when you're falling. Well, at her level, I start off from her hands and knees. So Alexis, we've got to go down and catch yourself on just our hands. And if you do it 3 times, you can have him, okay? We got to do 3 times. All right, so we're here with her grandmother, Sonia, and Sonia's going to do it at the same time. It seems to help her. You ready? We got to get up tall on our knees, and we're going to go down on our hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice. Up. Keep your head up, sweetie. Keep your head up. Nice job. That was 1. That's right, Alexis. Good working. Here we go. Come on up. Up tall, please. That's right. Come up tall. Alexis, we have 2 more. We have 2 more, so come up tall. Thank you. Up here. I'm going to go 1. Get those hands ready. 2, 3. Oh, Alexis. There you go. So it looks like you can see her better left hand is coming out better than her right hand. And I'm just giving a little bit of support so I know that she doesn't go down and whomp her head. Alexis, we have 1 more good one to do. Are you ready? Come on up. Come all the way up. That's right, Alexis. Good working. All right, you ready? I'm going to get her up tall into extension so she's as high from her knees as she can possibly be. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice job, Alex. Oh, is that a good one, Alex? Oh, are you showing off that time? Yeah, come on up. Come on up and we'll get him. Ready? Okay, we'll make him go. You did 3 times. So with Alexis, I have to do usually working toward a goal to be able to get good work. Often with each rep, I have to have a reward, but she's getting to the point now that I can do a couple of reps. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! Alexis! Ah! That was good. So it's just a simple idea to work on the skill of being able to catch yourself with your hands. Alexis has tricky ability to use her hands. Left hand she can use better than her right, but it would be really good if she could protect herself if she started to fall. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Bye. Goodbye. And woo. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.